Hello everyone, how are you? This is your teacher, Mr. Gonzalez, and I am here to give you the dictation of Phase 4 and Phase 5. So let's begin. Phase 4 dictation answers. Remember that your duty is to fill in the blanks. Okay? No more. Sarah was excited. It's my first day of school, she said to herself. She went to get her uniform from her wardrobe and could just about tie her shoes with only a little bit of help. What are you most excited about today, Zara? Asked her mom. I can't wait to meet new children. Sarah said, I hope they like me. When she got to school, some other children were already there. The bell rang and the teacher asked Sarah to come into her new classroom. It said, Class 1, on the door. What would you like to do? Asked her teacher. We have lots of toys, or you can go out to play if you want. Sarah was so excited she thought she was going to pop.